Okay, family, I'm looking for someone to pressure wash the house, and I'm looking for someone to do a new roof too. But I'm trying to get the bricks done and, the whole thing pressure wash, not just half the house, the whole thing. See, really the back, maybe because the rain don't fall on that back part right there. That's probably why it don't look bad. Just where the rain falls. It's pretty much where it looks, need to be pressure washed at. You can kind of see. Other than that, it's pretty much where it needs to be done at. But I'm looking for someone to pressure wash it, and I'm also looking for someone to do the roof, to redo the roof. I got some photos and things that I already did, and I took a good video too, so you can kind of see the top of it. Hold on.